This review is of NuStuf Baking Limited in Ontario, Canada. Reko, Pizzelle, dark chocolate, Italian style waffles. And authentic. Yeah. Hopefully they're better than the other two that I've tried, which were okay, but nothing special. No preservatives, no trans fats. And there's the blurb. And there are the nutrition facts. And simple recipe ideas. As I suspected, the flavor is very subdued. I guess if that's what you want, a very mild waffle and chocolate flavor, very, very mild, then this would be a good choice for you. For me, it's nothing special. I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.